Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm gonna show you how you can find your digital codes on Amazon. It's really simple, so let's get started. So, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go on Amazon.com obviously, and once you're on the home page of Amazon, you're gonna wanna go to your account by pressing either this button right here in the top right of your screen or under your account the account button. Once you've clicked on that button, it's gonna prompt you to this page with your account and multiple options. Under digital content and devices in the middle, in the top middle of section, you're gonna wanna go down until you find digital games and software. That's what you're gonna wanna click on. Once you've clicked on that, you should see here all your digital codes from the things that you've purchased on Amazon. I haven't purchased anything yet, so that's why I don't have any codes showing up right here. But if you purchased something from Amazon which had a digital code, you should find it right here. Really simple. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.